can these 33-inch tires, these American Force rims, do you think these things can fit on a 2016 Toyota 4Runner without putting a lift kit on it? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack. This is GasDiesel Garage. In today's episode, I'm gonna pimp that ride. Come on with me. If you want some 33s to fit on a stock suspension on a 2016 4Runner, you're gonna have to do a couple of things. Number one, you got to take off this mud flap here, which all it is just two little push pins, and then about 3 10mm, which I'll do that right now. And the next thing you might want to take off, which I am, is you take this little black corner piece off. It's 1 10mm, and you just pull it on down. Pull it off rather, without breaking it. Ooh, there we go. And I'll more than likely take those yellow plastic pins out too. Looks a little tacky. All right, now let's put the 33 on. Go ahead, turn your wheel to the left. Okay, I guess I was wrong. Go the other way. All right.
Oh shit.
Well, I think we answered the question. 33-inch tires will not fit on a 2016 Toyota 4Runner with stock suspension. This thing's gonna need a lift kit, and I'm thinking maybe about a 6-inch lift kit. I think we're gonna order a rough country kit, and it's gonna look a lot better. Let me show you why these tires will not fit. Now, I can't say I didn't try, because I did. We took off a few things to make sure that these front tires won't rub, in which they do, unfortunately, and she doesn't want me to cut the fenders or mud flaps or any of that. So anyways, like I said, we're just gonna put the lift kit on. Well, let me show you what I tried to do to get these things to not rub. I took the mud flap off, and I took that corner piece off, and I was actually pretty good with that. I mean, it didn't rub that much. If you see the white line, that's where it rubbed. And no, that sucks. It's not gonna happen. But the biggest thing was it actually rubbed right here. I was actually putting a mark there, and yes, it would fold the bumper in, so that's no good. So until next time, I'm gonna have to make this video series a to be continued, and we'll continue it when I get the 6-inch rough country lift kit. So until then, like, subscribe, comment, say this video is completely stupid. We'll just have to see you next time. Peace.